I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby?
Welcome back, beauties. D. Beasley here. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back, sis. Come on in, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Come on in the room, grab a snack. You know what I'm saying? Today I wanted to try out a new product with you all. I wanted to play in the new e.l.f. Putty Bronzers. These are similar to like the putty primers that they have, but I picked up 3 different shades. So I got the shade Bronze Belle, Sun Kissed, and then I have Beach Please. So I picked up 3 different shades and I wanted to try them out with you all. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do my foundation. We're going to do just a slight wash of color on the eyes, and then we're going to get into the bronzer. So let's get started. For under eye concealer, we're going to use e.l.f. also. I need to go get an e.l.f. foundation so I can try that out. I'm just going to put a little bit here in the inner portion of my eye. A little bit of Cupid's bow. This one is in the shade Deep Cinnamon. And then I'm going to go in between all that with Deep Olive, just to give us a highlighty shade. Somewhat of a highlight. I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes. I'm in between these two, actually. The Bronze Belle, Beach Please, and Sun Kissed. These are the 3 I picked up. I am in between these 2. And this is the 3rd one. I'm going to swatch all 3 for y'all, just so we have it. And I'm just going to let this concealer sit a little bit. Y'all know how that goes with this e.l.f. 24 hour. Okay, so these are the shades in order. So this is Bronze Belle, Sun Kissed, and Beach Please. See what happened when you leave just a little bit? Like, you cannot leave there too long. But look how full coverage this freaking concealer is, girl. Absolutely insane. I'm going to take this Morphe M536 brush, and I'm just going to put my brush in there. And it's almost like a cream. Ooh. She's pigmented. Okay. You know, when we're in the cheekbone area, I normally just brush it up. Or blend it up, I want to say. So this is one side with a little bit of product. That's no product. Can y'all tell the difference? We're just going to get a little bit more. I feel like that's a perfect shade for me. I'm going to take it on my jawline. Because y'all know when you're contouring, you're basically just creating shadows. To create the illusion of a chiseled jawline. And I got a 5 head, so we're going to go in and blend it all down. We're just doing this one side right now. See? Without, with. Look at that definition, sis. Oh, wow. I love this. And I normally put on a cream bronzer before I put on any type of powder. As you can see, I put my concealer on, but I did not go in with any like powder. We are creaming it up. I feel like that is like a perfect shade for myself. Because remember, I'm going to go on top of that with a powder to set it, so I don't need it to be too much. Now if I want it deeper than this, then I can go in with the shade Beach Please, but I feel like this is a little bit too deep for me, so we're not going to use that one. We're going to use Bronze Belle, and we're going to use the shade Sun Kiss, which is the one I'm putting in my cheek area now. But look at how you can tell the difference. Like this side has it and this side doesn't. Don't tell me you can't tell the difference, because you're going to be lying. Don't be lying to me. I'm going to take this angled Morphe E62 brush. I'm going to show y'all what that look like. I want to take this brush and I want to use it to chisel out my nose with the shade Bronze Belle. So we're going to take Bronze Belle. I just want to see. That's Bronze Belle. This is the one I put on. But this is the color I'm about to put on my nose. They're similar. This is a little bit more warmer, but this is more cool tone. So we're going to take this one. I'm going to chisel my nose. Take it all the way up into my brow. And you're just creating a dimension. We're shading the nose. We're making it appear smaller. It's not a big nose. We just want to give it a little bit. And because I don't want this to look too muddy, I'm going to take the sponge that I had the concealer on, blend it out, and then go back in and tap alongside the bridge of my nose. I know y'all can see that definition. I know you can. I'm gonna take the sponge and clean this little area up here so it'll appear more chiseled. Okay. And we're just gonna blend that under eye out some more, so you can see the difference. Look at that. Girl, I like that. Let's go ahead and do this side of my face. And we're just going to pat it in. And I want it to go all the way up into my brows. We're going to take this new shade by Huda Beauty and the shade Blondie. I love this powder. Look at that. It's still there. See, I like that product, y'all, because it's literally staying in place. It's like not moving around. It's not sliding around. To set the cream, I'm going to take the Juvia's Place Bronze palette in the shade Dark. I used these in my last video. I'm going to use these two. I smack my lips a lot. Okay? A whole lot. I'm going to use these to set that powder. So I'm just going to take both shades, actually. Tap off any excess. And I'm going to just pat it in. See that? I'm going to use whatever excess I have to set the forehead area. And then go in there with it again. Tap it off. And just blend out that jawline. Because you don't want it to be harsh. You don't want to be able to tell where it is. That's why it's best to just go over it several times. That way, everything gets blended. But you do want to make sure you're blending down on that jaw. And not up. To set my entire face, I'm going to take this e.l.f. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder. I picked this up from the e.l.f. website as well. Because I can never find it in store anywhere because they don't have my shade. I think this is the deepest one. This is dark. And I'm just going in and setting my entire face. Oh, that powder's got a nice little finish to it. Okay. Just to play with my eyes a little bit since we're here. Okay, might as well. This is the Symphony by Terry palette in Plain Jane. Y'all, this palette is too cute. Like, it has all the colors that everybody and their mama be wanting nowadays. All we're gonna do is basically put a little fluff on our eyes and move on, okay? We're here for a good time, not a long time, okay? So I'm gonna go in with the shade R&B, which is here. And I'm just gonna put that all over. Ooh, that is so cute. This is that look that everybody goes for. It's like the most basic standard look. I'm not opposed to it. Tomato. I love the simplicity of a look like this. So cute. And then we're gonna take the shade Yes. Okay, we're gonna take that same brush. This is a Morphe M521. Tap off the excess because that's a little bit deep, okay? And we're just gonna put it on the outer portion of our eye and just bring it in. So cute. So cute. I mean, when I say she went all up under these lashes to get to every lash, baby. I'm gonna take the shade Acoustic, which is the like only shimmer shade actually in the palette. It's the only shimmer shade. We're gonna take it and put it in our inner tear duct. Shimmery, but that'll do. That's cute. Let's get a little something. But we're gonna go back in with our brush and we're just gonna blend it out because we kind of just wanted it to be matte. And I'm gonna take the shade Yes again. I'm going to place that on my lower lash line. I really like this palette. It's like the perfect It Girl brown eyeshadow. Like, it literally has one shimmer in here. This is the palette that everybody be looking for. The palette with like all the different browns, neutral tones, and it just has one shimmer. It has a white, it has a cream, it has a nude. Girl, that's it. So I'm gonna put the link to this down below so you can go and check it out. I'm gonna put two glosses on. This is Flower Crown or Morphe. And then I'm gonna finish off with this e.l.f. gloss in Pink Cosmo. I really like this gloss. Ooh, that's so cute, girl. Okay, I see you. You ain't got nobody earrings on, but it's okay. Okay, beauty, so here is the finished look, girl. These earrings make me feel so good every time I put them on. And I'll be ready to go somewhere floral. You know, somewhere beachy. Somewhere, you know, exotic. But I haven't went there yet. But I wanted to come on here and show y'all the finished look. I really do like those Putty Bronzers, y'all. So those retail for $6. Very inexpensive. And they don't move. Like, they hold a good contour bronze. Like, it's giving me simple. You know what I'm saying? It's giving me what it needs to give. Is that what everybody's saying? I don't know which one it is. But I like the way this turned out. Very neutral, soft glam. Do not forget to try out the Symphony by Terrion Plain Jane palette. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please leave me some comments down below. Let me know if y'all plan on trying the Putty Bronzer, because I'm not sure how everybody feels about like cream, or in this case putty or cream like products to bronze or cream or contour. So I'm not sure how people feel about that, but I like it because it actually helps the contour / bronzing area be more defined. Okay, I love it. So like I said, just leave a comment down below. Do you plan on picking them up? Is this a pass or grab? This is the look, girl. I'm just letting y'all know right now. Okay, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.